Hello and good afternoon, everyone. We are Group 5, and today I will present our case analysis on Vaasan Sähköverkko for the course Strategizing in the Smart Energy System. Our presentation focus on how Vaasan Sähköverkko can transform from traditional electricity distribution company into a smart energy platform provider. And we will also discuss the company current challenges, future opportunity, business model innovation, value creation, logic, investment potential. Myself, Yamin Ahmed, and I will present the first section of this presentation. Vaasan Sähköverkko is a regional electricity distribution company which is operating in Western Finland. The company was founded old in 1892 and currently serves 8 municipalities. So it operates as a regulated regional monopoly, which means it has stable customer base but also faces strict pricing regulations from the Finnish Energy Authority. And company has already invested heavily in underground cabling with 55% medium voltage and 76% low voltage underground cable coverage. This improves reliability and reduce weather-related outages because it's very important in Finland considering the snow and rain. However, the energy sector is challenging rapidly due to the renewable energy integration, digitalization, electrical vehicles, and smart grid technology. Because of this, the company must rethink its future business model. So in this presentation, we first analyze the company biggest challenges and again obvious the opportunities. Then we will also going to explain the shift from the traditional product mindset toward a value mindset. After that, we present our proposed future business model using the business model canvas and business model innovation pattern from this course. Finally, we evaluate value creations, value capture, strength and weakness, along with investment potential before concluding with our recommendation on Vasan Sähköverkko future strategy. Vaasan Sähköverkko currently faces several major challenges. First, the company has aging infrastructure. The company is built 1820, so electricity networks are increasingly vulnerable to storm and extreme weather, as the weather in Finland is quite unpredictable, sometimes snow and rain, so continuous underground cabling infrastructure is required. Secondly, the smart grid cable security system and renewable integration require a large capital investment. This creates financial pressure for the relatively small organization. Third one, the company operates under very strict regulation. The Finnish Energy Authority limits pricing flexibility even when the operator costs continue to rise. And finally, the renewable energy and digitalization create a new technical and cybersecurity risk. Solar presumer create two-way electricity flow while increasing digital connectivity expose the grid to the cyber threats. These challenges show why it is the company must move beyond the traditional electricity distribution model and adopt the smarter and more service-oriented business strategy rather than adopting the traditional one.
Hi, now I'll discuss about the opportunity in the face of challenges of Vaasan Sähköverkko. Although Vaasan Sähköverkko faces many challenges, there are also strong opportunities for future growth. First, smart grid technology can improve efficiency and reliability. AI-based outage prediction and automated fault detection help reduce power interruptions and maintenance costs. Second, the green transition is increasing demand for renewable energy. This creates opportunities for grid modernization and supports Finland's sustainability goals. Third, the growth of electric vehicles increases demand for smart charging systems and advanced energy management solutions. Finally, smart meter data can be used to provide personalized energy services for customers, helping them optimize energy use and reduce costs. Traditionally, utility companies focused only on selling electricity, but today the mindset is changing from we sell electricity to we optimize your energy life. This means that a company is moving from selling kilowatt hours to delivering customers outcomes, from a simple commodity business to service based solutions, and from one time transactions to long term customer relationships. The company can create value in several ways. Reliability is important because customers expect uninterrupted electricity supply. Sustainability also creates long-term value by supporting environmentally responsible energy systems. Digital convenience is another key value source through mobile apps, real-time monitoring, and outage alerts. Finally, supporting the local community strengthens regional energy security and builds customer trust. The key idea is moving beyond only keeping the lights on and creating more value for customers and society. First, reliability is important because uninterrupted electricity builds trust for homes and businesses. Second, sustainability focus on environmentally responsible infrastructure and long-term value. Third, digital convenience improves customer experience through real-time monitoring, outage alerts, and mobile applications. Finally, local community value supports regional energy security and economic development. Overall, these four areas help create a smarter, more customer-focused, and sustainable energy system. This slide shows our proposed future business model called the Smart Energy Network Platform. The main idea is that Vaasan Sähköverkko can evolve from a traditional security distributor into a smart energy platform. At the center is the Smart Energy Network Platform, which connects customers, renewable energy, and electric vehicles. The model includes five main areas: smart grid services with AI support, customer energy management, renewable energy integration, EV ecosystem development, and strategic partnerships with municipalities and technology companies. Overall, this business model supports a smarter, more efficient, and sustainable energy future.
Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Rehan and I will present the most important part of this presentation, which is business model canvas. When we talk about future business model design, it consists of customer segments, which includes household, business, municipalities, renewable producers, EV, etc. Then we talk about value proposition, which includes reliable distribution, smart digital services, renewable integration, fast outage responses. Then what are the key activities involved in this? It includes grid modernization, network maintenance, cybersecurity, customer services. So what are the key resources in this business model design? It includes distribution network, smart grid technician, customer data, and skilled personnel. So what is revenue streams? It includes transmission fees, smart service fees, infrastructure partnerships. What are the channels included in it? It includes mobile app, websites, smart meters, customer services. Then we talk about customer relationships. It includes long-term utility, trust, digital self-services, automated communication. So key partnerships include municipalities, tech providers, renewable farms, EV charging companies, and then cost structure includes infrastructure investment, maintenance, technology upgradation, and deploy cost. Uh, Pattern includes platform, subscription, etc. Then what is the value creation logic behind this business model? So for customers, it lower energy bills via smart analytics. faster outage recovery, seamless charging, and renewable self-production support. So, what is the logic for the company? It new revenue streams beyond regulated fees, data assets, unlock platform services. So, competitive moat, it regional trust plus smart infrastructure will which will give us high switching barriers. So, when we talk about value capture logic, so regulated core includes stable transmission fee income provides a cash flow foundation. Platform layer includes smart service subscriptions and EV or renewable integration fees and unregulated upside. Partnership revenue, co-investment with municipalities and tech firms shares cost and captures new markets. So I will tell about my last slide. What is business model strengths here in our business model? So first of all, strong regional trust builds and monopoly position provide a stable foundation for all the business models. Then it is a platform model, diversifies revenue beyond regulatory fees. Then sustainability leadership aligns with EU climate mandates. And the most important thing, smart grid investment improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. It includes data from 78,000 plus locations, which creates a powerful impact competitive asset for the business model. That's it from me.
Now, let's talk about business model weaknesses. Even though the new business model is promising, there are some weaknesses we must consider. First, the capital requirements are heavy. Vaasan Sähköverkko is a small company, but it needs to invest continuously in underground cabling, smart grid upgrades, and cybersecurity. This puts pressure on finances. Second, regulation limits pricing freedom. Even if costs arise, the company cannot simply increase distribution fees, which makes cost recovery difficult. Third, the company has limited internal tech talent. Moving toward a digital platform requires skills in data analytics, automation, and cybersecurity, which are not yet fully developed inside the organization. Fourth, modernization cycles are slow. Energy infrastructure takes years to upgrade, so the company must plan carefully to avoid falling behind. Finally, cybersecurity risk increase as the grid becomes more digital. Every new device or data connection adds vulnerability. These weaknesses don't stop the transformation, but they slow that the company needs strong planning and partnerships. Investment assessment. When we assess the investment potential, we look at three areas: payoff, capital needs, and the market environment. The potential payoff is high. Smart energy services, EV charging, and digital optimization are growing markets. If Vaasan Sähköverkko invests now, it can secure long-term recurring revenue. Capital requirements are large, but this is normal for energy infrastructure. The company will need long-term financing and possibly partnerships to manage the cost. The competitive and regulatory environment is mixed. Competition is increasing, but Vaasan Sähköverkko has strong local trust and control of the regional grid. Regulation is also moving in a supportive direction, especially for flexibility markets and renewable integration. Overall, the investment environment is challenging, but it's promising. Investment verdict. Our final verdict is yes, we would invest. The main reason is that the long-term benefits outweigh the risk. The company can create new revenue streams beyond regulated fees, and the market is clearly moving toward digital and smart energy solutions. Vaasan Sähköverkko also has strong local advantages. customer trust, regional knowledge, and access to valuable smart meter data. These give it a good starting point for building a smart energy platform. Even though the investment is large, it is necessary for the company to stay relevant in the future energy system. So overall, we believe this is a strategic and justified investment. To conclude, Vaasan Sähköverkko is at an important moment in its history. The traditional distribution model is becoming harder to maintain, but the smart energy transition opens new opportunities. By evolving into a smart energy platform provider, the company can deliver more value to customers, support renewable energy, and build new recurring revenue streams. This transformation requires investment and new capabilities, but it positions the company for long-term success in a rapidly changing energy landscape. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for listening to our presentation. Any feedback we would greatly appreciate. Thank you.